they're part of the largest bank in America, 5th largest in the world. No wonder they're willing to give you a big bag in business funding. But not only will this lender give you multiple business products with high limits, you can also access more than $100,000 in funding with everybody's two favorite words, no docs. And the first business funding product that you're going to start with is a 12-month interest-free business credit card. And this one's one of my favorites. It's the Chase Ink Business Unlimited Credit Card. And this is a great card to start with, not only because of the 12-month interest-free, but also because of the Chase 524 rule. And the 524 rule is a data point from Chase that tells us that they won't approve us for any credit cards if we've been approved for at least 5 cards within the last 24 months. And now that we're talking about data points, let's go a little bit deeper into how we're going to get approved for the Chase Ink Business Unlimited. And there are 2 ways that you can apply for this business credit card. You can apply online. There's a link in the description if you want to use this method, or you can apply in person at a branch. For the best results, I would recommend going in person to a branch just to establish a better relationship and rapport. The first thing you need to do is open a business checking account with Chase, and as far as the amount, I would just deposit as much as possible. And when you do this in person, you also increase the likelihood that you might run into a Chase Business Relationship Manager. And I'll explain the importance of that a little bit later on in the video. But after you open the business checking account, don't immediately apply for the Business Unlimited credit card. Deposit as much as you can into this account, and over time, start doing some consistent transactions into it. When you do go to apply for the card, just keep in mind that they are going to do a hard pull from your personal credit report from Experian in most cases. The application process is pretty straightforward, but if you want a step-by-step walkthrough, I do have a video for that, and I'll link that in the description below. But when it comes to getting approved for these Chase Business credit cards, I have seen approvals with limits up to $50,000, and that's even with fairly new businesses. That means for approvals up to this amount, they aren't going to request any financial documentation like tax returns or profit and loss statements. And on top of the high limits, as well as the no doc requirements, keep in mind that this business credit card is also an intro of 12 months interest free. That means you have up to a year to leverage this funding into your business to create an income generating play without paying any interest on top. Now, doing the same exact process at over 10 various banks and lenders is how I was able to acquire over $200,000 in business funding myself. But I get it. Even after watching videos like this where I break down the entire process, it can still feel like a lot. And if you've been feeling like this, you're definitely not alone. But I'm proud to say I've been able to help so many people who've had that same exact feeling by optimizing their personal and business profiles while also using my relationships that I've built with these various lenders to help them obtain more than 6 figures in business funding, but in a much easier way. If you're a business owner with a 700 credit score or higher and you just can't seem to figure it out, click the link in the description below and see if you'll be a good fit to work with me and my team. It's my mission to help you understand strategies just like this and apply them so you can get as much business funding as quickly as possible. Just tap in. But as far as this Chase play goes, a high limit, no interest period business credit card is just the start. Chase is one of the best relationship lenders out there. It's really about one hand washing the other when it comes to them, which brings us to the next round of funding. Having a checking account, business credit card, and a good rapport with Chase will give you access to one of the best business credit products out there. With this funding product, you can literally send the capital that Chase gives you directly to your business bank account. This is called a business line of credit. Now, to get a business line of credit, you do usually have to apply inside the branch. And in most cases, you're going to do this directly with a business relationship manager. But the tricky part is there's not always a relationship manager at every local branch.
Huh? What?
If you do follow the strategy we talked about thus far and you find yourself talking to a Chase Business Relationship Manager, just know that applying for this business line of credit, you can get up to $100,000 with no docs. And combined, that's a total of $150,000 of business funding, all from one lender. That's a crazy bag. Which brings us to the next key factor of running this play. You got to keep in mind that most of the time you go into the bank, you're probably only going to talk to someone who's familiar with dealing with retail and personal accounts. So it's important when you're running this play with Chase that you only work with employees who handle business accounts only. I've seen in my experiences that these relationship managers definitely have a lot more pull than the normal employees at the bank, and sometimes they can even override the online system. For example, my network of relationship managers have been a huge reason that I've been able to get my mentees approved remotely. Not only do they not have to be there, but also approved for higher limits as well. Overall, these business relationship managers just make the process a lot easier and less intimidating. But keep this in mind, when you're running a business funding play, regardless of the bank, you always want to deal with the employees who only work with the business accounts. And speaking and dressing professionally and being able to clearly talk about your business definitely goes a long part in regards to getting approved for business funding as well. Between their business credit cards and their business lines of credit, with this information, now you can easily go secure over $150,000 from Chase in just 1 month if you play it right. Even with the relationships and data points that we talked about today, it's not enough if you want to guarantee your approval for high limit business funding. Lenders still need to know who you are and that they can trust you. And I explained the step-by-step formula to earn the trust of every lender in this video. So click here and learn the blueprint to secure an even bigger bag no matter what lender you go to. Let's get it.